Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to an unboxing. I know, an actual unboxing for something, as you can see, that is behind me, which has arrived. So yeah, this is going to be my week 6 order. Obviously, let me know down below whether or not your orders have, started to be shipped, or whether you've already got them like me, fortunately, or whether nothing's happened yet and you're just waiting to see. But yeah, without further ado, we're just going to get straight into this, go through it. Very plain and simple, and obviously we're going to actually be putting it on. I know it's probably sounds quite normal for an unboxing, but for me not so much, because it's not something I typically do, because a majority of the time I end up getting pieces for other people, and as of that it's just like, here it is, right, it's going off to them and that's it. I've just been able to unbox it because I'm the one who got it and went for it and such. But yeah, let's just jump straight into this anyway, and hopefully this fits okay. Obviously this is a little oversized, but doesn't matter, let's get into this. Okay, so as you can see, it's not like I've got dressed up. This is probably average like outfit or dressing for people, but I've got jeans and things on so that it's something that hopefully it will go with or match. And this is blue for the obvious reason I just want to see how it looks against it, but I don't know whether or not I'd actually be wearing this like long sleeve that I've got out with it, because it's crazy how much like, I guess, larger it is now and a bit oversized it is now compared to when I got it. Like realistically, like, oh my, like, it's crazy that it used to fit like perfectly, near enough. Like I had a little bit of leeway, but kind of perfectly, and now it's like, no, not at all. This is big. But anyway, the point of this video, the whole reason why you're probably here, obviously on the bottom it says, doesn't say to rev, but it says like do not cut or do not use sharp object, which is great because it just makes it sound like it's been stuffed in here like completely, which is amazing. But yeah, I was going to bring down like the whole League of Legends Worlds 2024 collector's box, but I kind of decided against it because realistically I don't think I'm even going to be opening it up anytime soon, purely because of the fact that I have no idea where it's going to go, so I'd rather just leave it as it is. But I got that because Worlds is on at the moment. Today's games start in like 45 minutes, so I'm only going to end up with 3 out of 4 picks for my play-in stage, I believe it is, or is it Swiss? I think Swiss is next, this is the play-ins. So yeah, because of that I'm only going to get 3 out of 4 correct, as far as their pick'ems go. And yeah, so I thought I would unbox it, but at the same time I'm not going to. So, wow, okay. So basically, cool, oh my, damn. So here it is, in all its glory, Sherpa Collar Bomber. It weighs a hefty amount, I cannot lie. And then there's a different like tag there. Obviously they have to check, I presume, the sizing. 3M Scintillate Advanced is what it's got. But yeah, I love how I'm talking about League when the whole point of this video is Supreme. But yeah, I ordered it because I wanted the pass and skin and things, and I didn't buy last year's. Because last year was like 125, would have been like £140 with shipping. This year was below 90, which I feel is a lot better in the end, even though it should have been less than that because currency conversion, it was in euros to pounds. But anyway, I'm going off topic. This just, Jesus, I don't want to like destroy the bag in case it doesn't fit me like correctly, but damn. They usually use like better tape. But yeah, so Worlds is going on at the moment. I think it's Pain versus R7 first, and then it's 100 Thieves versus PSG. I had both PSG and 100 Thieves to go through, so that's Pain for me. But I got the other 2 teams correct, so that's fine. But God, this does not want to work with me. Anyway, so this looks massive, I cannot lie. So you've got the Supreme that is on one of the pockets, and then we open it up. It looks big, I cannot lie. I mean, it looks cool, but it looks big. So you've got the Supreme embroidered on the back of it. Maybe not, maybe it's just me. That does look quite big though, I cannot lie. But a small, I don't feel like a small would have been my sort of size. Right, let's just get it open and take a look, and then we can go through the details and such after that. So yeah, I've wanted a bomber from Supreme for a while, as I said in like my live cop, but it's just that, so I tried to pick up, it was 2011 or something, it might have been, or 2012, they released a really nice shot, like Sherpa jacket. It might have been a bit before that, and I'd worked out with the person, you know, a deal, a price and everything, because it's on Grailed, and that's what I was going to do. I was going to be buying that, I was going to be getting that. We'd worked out for like, I think it was like 1200 to 1500, which is all good. They were happy with it, it was great. I was going to do that, and then they went, you're in the UK, and I was like, yeah, and they're like, yeah, that's like a no can do. There's an issue with that because of shipping and the cost of that and such, and I was like, so then it was meant to be like 2000, and I was like, I can't do that, like I'm barely getting by doing this, because that was the point in time where I was deciding whether I was going to go for the leopard nuts or whether I was going to pick that up, and the leopard nuts was like a definite thing, you know, it wasn't going to be any more, it wasn't going to be any less, it was just like then and there in the moment, and with that I was just like, I'm going for that. So then I tried to save up for it still, saying to the person that I would still want it and get it. But by this point in time, it's now a large, or it is a large, it hasn't changed, it is a large. So because of that, you know, I can't really do that, I can't really get that. And it wouldn't fit me, unfortunately now. I was thinking, why can't I open this? Because at the neck, you've obviously got the part where this sort of does up. So that's why it wasn't opening completely. But there you go, now I've got it open completely. We can take a look on the inside. As you can see, that's how it is. The 3M insulation, advanced little bit, and the tag. Where's this made? Because they're made in all different places. This is made in China. So there you go. Right, I guess this is the point where I've got to try it. So I will bring the camera up, I suppose. Yeah, because I have been yapping a little too much, so please, oh, focus on me, there we go, please fit me correctly and decently, and yeah, it does, doesn't it? But these are the type of things that you got to get used to, haven't you? I'm not used to jackets and things of that nature and of that. I'm going to have to move this right back, aren't I? You're still not seeing me, like, now you can see me wearing it. The angle is still kind of off. I feel like I look so awkward in this, don't I? I look really awkward, don't I? Right, let's just zip it up and see how it is. I feel like I look so awkward. This is the reason why I don't typically tend to wear a lot of, I can't even zip it up. This is why I don't typically tend to wear a lot of pieces that are not high quality, but I would say, that's it, Robert, get the faux fur caught in it. That'd be the best first move that you could do. Not that I don't wear like high end things or things of that nature, it's just that I typically tend to have an issue with myself. I wish that the pockets were a better angle. I don't really like that angle, but maybe it's meant to make you look like that. Yeah, I have an issue when it comes to wearing things because of looking at myself wearing it, and I'm just like, this just doesn't suit me, this isn't for me. So because of that, I've got like the Knives Out sweater that Chris Evans wore. It wasn't cheap, like it was not affordable. I haven't worn it at all, because every time I put it on, I look at myself and I'm like, God, you look awful in this. But anyway, regardless, this is how it looks. Where's the hood? There. That's the hood up and everything. I just feel like it's big. Is it not big on me? I'm too self-conscious, aren't I? Anyway, do I have to put like my hands in the pockets completely with the bit? Like, what am I meant to do? I don't know. Anyway, hopefully this looks fine. I don't know. I'll stand back. But you can see my shirt underneath, which I don't like. But then again, it is a large, so. But yeah, I don't know. I do not know whether or not these jeans would be fine with it. I've got like 4 or 5 pairs of jeans. I only ever really wear this pair because I haven't been a jean person for like 9 years. So it's not really my forte. It's not what I'm used to or comfortable in, which is why I'm not like comfortable wearing things like this. But yeah, obviously I can do the button. I mean, I can do it right up, I suppose. God, presses on your neck a bit. Jesus. Well, you got the collar and the hood. I kind of like the collar. Does it bend? Like, yeah, so it is, so it can go down. That's kind of nice. And then you have it obviously up and down, and I don't know. But anyway, yeah, that is going to cover this video basically. I'm just not in the correct height, am I there? Okay, now we can sit down. So, thoughts and opinions. It's warm, obviously, it's comfortable, yes. I'll take a look and sort the collar out to see how that goes with all the bits and pieces, because I can obviously feel that it can go down and such, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just so awkward when it comes to these things. I feel like in the arm, I'd like that to just be, you know, like a bit, do you know what I mean? Like a bit tighter, because it just feels very big on me. Like, I'm like Tom Hanks in the film. Like, it does just feel like I've got a lot of unnecessary, but at the same time, I don't think I could have gone shorter with a small, purely because of the fact that I wouldn't want it any higher with this, because I don't like things sitting, personally, below, like, or too high in the end. I prefer them sitting at a certain level, so yeah. But anyway, that's going to cover this video. So like I said, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, I suppose, whether or not you picked one of these up. God, that's really stiff at the neck. And yeah, how it fits you, how you think it is. I'll have to get used to zipping that up, because obviously it's got like the denim here that goes to protect it from you getting the stuff caught, but at the same time, yeah, there's obviously a pocket on the inside here too. Nothing on the other side, but yeah, that is basically it in the end. It is very warm, and then you've just got a tag on the inside that's telling you to dry clean, and it's 3M Thinsulate and everything, and yeah, but that is everything in the end. So the hood comes off, so it just clicks off quite naturally. Okay, that's cool. Well, that is going to cover it anyway. God, can't believe I bought something like this. I really can't. Like, I don't typically just buy things like that. I haven't bought like a jacket of this nature in a minute now, actually, since like North Face Antarctic, or Antarctica like series basically, or Arctic series. But yeah, anyway, that's going to cover this video, so thank you for watching. Other than that, I do hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.